Hello everybody, this is Lucas. Welcome back to another HTML tutorial. So in this video, we'll go over how we can add a favicon to our HTML page. So this is basically just an image that will be showing up in our tab whenever we are in a page. So we can get started. This is a very simple one that we can do. So first we have to make ourselves a link. And this is also inside of the head, so it's not in the body. So if we do link, then we'll do rel, and then we'll put an icon here. Then we do the type. Then I'll just do an image / x icon. So this is the part that you have to do. This has to be the same. And now in here we can do the href that we know, and we can link an image that we have. So I have this image, the car.png. So if I put in car.png in here, then we can just close the link at the very end. Now all this will do is it will add the car.png as the icon to our web page inside of the tab. So if I go back into my page and we can just refresh it, you can see we have our icon now all the way up here at the tab. So we have our title, our first web page, which we also set here. But now we also have our icon that we have set in here as well, which is just showing up just beside it. So that's it for this video. It's a very quick one, but a lot of people don't know how to do that. So I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.